Today is March 27th, Sunday, 2016. I came home from the hospital 4 days ago from being treated for infection on both sides, more on this side than on this side. Today is the first day that I've actually felt normal since I've had my surgery, in the sense where I didn't feel swollen or stiffness or soreness. The infection's clearing up just great. Yesterday was the first day because after I take showers, it kind of opens up a little bit, and I'll have a little bit of oozing that I try to get out. Yesterday I had nothing come out on this side. This side, I didn't have any pus or anything that looked like it was infection related. I had some bleeding here, and I just left it alone. It looks kind of gross, but I left it alone because I felt like it just needed to clot and to heal. So I'm not going to touch it. Even if I shower, well, usually I've been cleaning it with saline, which the hospital, the nurses gave and helped me clean it, which made a huge difference with the incision. I'm on oral antibiotics, and I am on that for 5 more days, including today. So I've been on antibiotics, I think, going on 7 weeks now, which can really mess your stomach up. So I was taking some Culturelle and eating yogurt and taking some probiotic gummies, but it wasn't enough. I have a coworker and a friend who suggested that I take the 50 billion probiotic capsule, which I started taking, made a huge difference. I noticed that when I would take it during the day, that in the morning, during the day, my stomach was fine. But at night, the second half of the day, my stomach was upset. So starting 2 days ago, I started taking it twice a day, and that's made a big difference. So they have 100 billion, but I like the idea of splitting it up. That way you're constantly replenishing it, because the antibiotics just kills off probably half of that or more. I don't know exactly, but I'm definitely on the mends. The swelling has gone down tremendously. I've noticed, or I've recently figured out, that a lot of my issues with talking and eating and being able to move my mouth has to do with all these hooks that the orthodontist put in the day before. I've gotten a lot of my movement back with my mouth, so my muscles are healing up nicely, and I'm able to move my mouth, with the exception of all these hooks in my mouth she put in for the wiring of my mouth during surgery, and we weren't sure if I would need rubber bands afterwards, which I don't. So I go back to see the orthodontist in 2 weeks, and I'm really hoping that she takes them out, at least most of them. So my bite has improved greatly from the surgery, but we still have some movement that we need to work out through orthodontics. So I probably have braces for, I would guesstimate, 6 more months. But other than that, today is the best day that I've had since surgery. I'm definitely on the mends, and things are looking great.